Okay, so we have a question here which is asking us to solve for x. Now, we have two different routes which we can consider here. One of them being, can I divide by 4 that's outside the parentheses on the right first? And if we were to do that, if we were to test it out, dividing by 4 on both sides to get rid of that 4 being multiplied by the x minus 1, we'd cancel those out, but then we'd have 3x minus 9 divided by 4 is equal to x minus 1. And so that makes things a little bit more difficult here when it comes to dividing parts because 3 is not easily divisible by 4 and neither is 9. So we're going to go ahead and try a different method now. And the best method in this case would be to distribute the 4 first. So if we distribute the 4, that means we're multiplying x by 4 and negative 1 by 4. So nothing's changing on the right side of our equation. So, or the left side, we'll have 3x minus 9 is equal to 4x minus 4. So again, we're just distributing that 4. Now we can go ahead and move all of our variables to one side of the equation and all of our constants to the other side. Now, preferentially, we don't want to use any negatives, so we see that 4 is greater than 3, so we're going to get rid of the 3x on the left side, and by doing that, we have to do the inverse operation. So the inverse of adding 3x on the left side would be subtracting 3x. So we're going to get rid of that 3x by subtracting it. And so those will cancel out, and we'll be left with negative 9 on the left side of the equation. 4x minus 3x, that will give us just x, or 1x, and then bring down to minus 4. And then after that, what we'll do is we got to get rid of that 4. So to get rid of that 4, we will add, or minus 4, we'll add 4 to both sides of our equation. And by doing that, we will get x is equal to 4 minus 9, or negative 9 plus 4, and we will get negative 5. And now we can go ahead and check to see if this works. So by doing that, we can take this negative 5 and plug it in to our x's in our original equation. So we can have 3 times negative 5 minus 9 is equal to 4 times negative 5 minus 1. So I'll do the left side first. 3 times negative 5 is negative 15 minus 9. Negative 15 minus 9 will give us a negative 24. Now let's go ahead and do the other side. So inside the parentheses first, negative 5 minus 1. That will give us a negative 6. And then 4 times negative 6 will give us a negative 24. And as we see, both the sides are equal to each other. So we see that this one works here. And so that means that x equals negative 5 will indeed be our answer here.